Bro, have you guys seen the new iPhone 17? Like, who even came up with this abomination of a design? This has to be the goofiest iPhone design till now. Like, bro, at least last year's model was decent, but this year, it looks like a...
Google Pixel with Apple logo brought from Toho.
And bro, don't even get me started on the new orange color. Like, that ain't a phone no more.
That's a Home Depot safety vest with Wi-Fi.
I really want to ask Apple about the substances they are taking before making these designs. And then I saw that post where Mr. Beast was standing behind Tim Cook. Like my guy was being held hostage for the event. And did you all notice how Tim Cook's hands were shaking while holding the iPhone 17? That's because he knew how cooked he was, as there were no actual new features other than a new set of cameras and the plateau design. Like at this point, I would just start calling it orange instead of Apple.